softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but you can still have fun for now.
Good morning, guys. It's my birthday. It's my birthday, guys. I feel hyper. Like, honestly, initially I was down like throughout the week. I felt like, no, Charlie, the day should hurry up and pass. But even today I was down earlier, but right now I feel like Charlie, what's but like, guys, it's still my birthday. Yeah, it's still my birthday. And what's a birthday without cakes? My guest who is not having cake this year, me. I'm not eating cakes this year because I don't know, nobody's going to get it for me. And I should get my thing, Charlie. I don't feel it, Charlie, guys. I'm not feeling it. So I'm not feeling it at all. I don't have a cake, but I know I have wine, or is it champagne? I don't know the difference between wine or champagne, but I know that I have a drink in a bottle, like in that form. Yeah, let me show you guys. Guys, I have this. I don't know what it is. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. I have this, so we are going to pop. I've had this for a long time, you guys. Since February. I've had it since February, and I didn't feel the need to pop it yet. And I don't know even if today I'm going to do it. But Charlie, guys, it's still my birthday. Oh god, I usually get hyper. I don't know. Like, I usually get down and I usually get hyper. But since we are hyper, let's get hyper. Guys, I didn't have any plans for my birthday, and my birthday is way natural. Like, I'm a day older than her. Tomorrow is hers and today is mine. I'm 20th and she's 21st of August. So we decided to have a spa. Like, even before the spa thing, I thought, oh, I'll give myself a self-care treatment this year, like pedicure and those things. I didn't think of massage and like the full spa treatment, but when Chora mentioned it, I was like, oh, cool. If it's within my budget, then we'll do it. And she was like, oh, it's cool. And guess who is home? Me, because I have Zoom class. I would have gone if it was a different. Even initially, I was supposed to go to work today on a Saturday, guys, and I'm not going to work anymore because I think my boss forgot to tell me to come. So yeah, I actually didn't want to go. So if you forgot, why not? I'm not going to have the spa treatment. We are not going to have it today, at least, because of the time. But I'm definitely going to give myself the self-care treatment. Charlie, guys, it's my birthday, so I wanted to also birth something today. I wanted to be a plant mom. I didn't go and get the plants too. Like, I'm home, I don't want to do anything at all.
Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden.
See somebody's age. So I'm declutching my trousers, and these two jeans that I just bought, I either have to throw both away or make something out of two to become one. So since the other baggy, my favorite one is too tight, and this one has a very big waist, I'm going to take some fabric off this one and then add it to the other one. You can see. So this is how the trouser is looking at the moment.
When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.
Hi guys, I'm trying to film with my front camera today. It's not so bad. Wow, I wish the frames of my glasses were as smooth as this one. It's so clear, like I can see with it, and that's the most important thing, honestly, if I see clearly with it. But It's not my prescription, so I can't wear it. These are my mom's glasses. Anyways, guys, it's been several days after my birthday, and the weather has been severely cold lately. Hey, there was this burns in my throat when I coughed, and it was that bad. It was that bad. My next mom suggests that I take garlic. You know, taking garlic can be so annoying. Like, you can't even talk in public. The moment you start talking, then the smell of garlic is all over. Like, it takes really long to even leave your breath and all of that. So it's going to be a hassle taking a raw. I'd rather take it with my honey. So guys, my skin is skinning, I think. Yeah, it actually is.
Still have fun for now.
You know what time it is. As I'm wearing my beach hats, then you know exactly what's going on. So I'm still in my birthday celebration mood. So at the end of the day, so welcome to the pool. We just saw the signpost to White Sand, so I'm thinking that we are approaching
Artist of the year.
Hi again. Heading towards my friend's place. I'm going to meet my friend who we are planning a house party. That girl likes party chop. We're planning a house party, and so we are going to check on the apartments that we found. So we're going there to check if we like it or not. This girl likes party. Hey, guys, we are on a house apartment tour.
It's a lie.
That is the truth. Okay, so why are we here? We are in Adenta, or we are at Adenta?
It's a lie.
It's not a lie. I don't know what's stopping me now. Honestly, I don't know what's stopping me, but I think it's because I don't have a particular place in mind I'll go for the plant shopping at. Yeah, I think that's all. I don't want to go from here, like from one place to another, without anything in mind. And I haven't seen like a sample of what plants I want yet, you can say. I have a friend who has lots of plants in her room, and she last mentioned where she got them from. I think I'll just have to ask her, and then I'll take it from there, honestly, because her plants are pretty too. Yeah. So guys, let me just end the vlog here. I know it wasn't much, but it's just how my birthday went. And oh yeah, the spa too. Honestly guys, I was ready last week, but Shira's phone is spoiled, and so like we lost touch and all. She told me I could reach her on Instagram, but I mean I don't know how she would feel when we are going for the spa and then she's phoneless, Shibab. So I would do that too, and we'd go for plant shopping too. Don't worry guys. So enjoy this while we are at it. Enjoy this vlog for me, just as my birthday gift. Yeah, enjoy this vlog. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Share, and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.